are making another very festive dish. Ito, pinadali natin to for everyone para tayo lahat happy. This is my version of a very simple paella. We are making fried rice a la paella. And I'm just preparing all my ingredients. Kasi sometimes, nagkikrave tayo ng mga ganito or may handa tayo, may bisita tayo. Pero, doing a proper, authentic na paella can be very challenging. So, ito siya, very simple dahil we are making Pinoy style, made even easier by doing it like fried rice. So, ito, I'm just preparing my ingredients and all that para pag nagluto tayo, sobrang bilis. Yan. So, I have my onions, my garlic, my sausage, adding a bit of carrots. So, ito, handa na yung aking mga ingredients. And ito, kaning lamig. And we will be making our colorant. Ano yung pangpakulay natin? We will be making our annatto oil. So, ito, a little bit of oil, which I will heat up. So, for this, I'm using around 3/4 cups of vegetable oil or canola oil, or you can use olive oil. And I will just heat that up. And ito siya yung annatto seeds. Alam mo yung annatto seeds? Ito, atsuete. Di ba? Kami dati, nung bata kami, inaakyat namin to. E namumula yung mga daliri namin pag binubuksan namin yung fruit ito. Mukha siyang rambutan, pero mas fino ang kanyang spikes. No? So, I will just add my annatto seeds into my oil so that mag-infuse ng color ang ating annatto seeds dun sa ating oil. Little by little, ang ating oil nagkakaroon ng color, no? Naging orange, deep orange, and ito yung magiging pangpakulay natin sa ating paella. And ito, with a little bit of our annatto oil, kukuha tayo ng konting annatto oil. Little annatto oil. Orange na siya. Gigisa natin yung ating shrimp. Ito, pang garnish ko to siya. Pang topping natin. And titimplan ko siya ng konting Maggi Magic Sarap. No? I will just season with a little bit of Maggi and set it aside. No? Season. Gisa-gisa lang. After, we will add our squid. Ito yung pang-topping natin. Add our squid. Konting Maggi. And konting black pepper. Oh, tingnan mo yung ating annatto. Ang ganda na ng kulay, oh. And tatabi na natin yung ating sauteed seafood. In the same pan, magdadagdag tayo ng ating annatto oil. Ganda ng kulay, no? Then, ito yung panggisa natin. Diba? So, we will add our aromatics here. So, ito, aga-aga pa, pero feeling natin, pang Pasko na yung handa natin. Saute our onions, and I will add a little bit of carrots para maging healthier. And meron tayo dito diced na pork or chicken. Yan. Gigisa din natin yan. Cook that. And again, titimpla natin to ng konting magic. No, para every step of the way, merong flavor yung ating ingredients. Para kahit yung karne makain mo, yung vegetable, malasa siya, malinamnam. Yan, no? A little bit of pepper. And I will dice my bell peppers. We are doing it in a very simple way. Hindi natin ginagawang very technical sa paellera ginawa. Ito, parang fried rice lang talaga siya. Now, I will add my sausages, oregano, and a little bit of thyme para mas bongga yung lasa. And I will also add my bell peppers. Yan, gisa-gisa lang tayo. And now, meron ako dito yung ulo ng ating hipon. And I will just smash the heads para makuha natin yung flavor ng shrimp. So, once we are able to get the shrimp head juice, dadagdag natin dito para lalong sumarap yung ating paella Using our strainer. More shrimp flavor. And we will add our tomato sauce. Ito. Konting tomato sauce. Gisa-gisa. And now, titimplahan natin to ng ating konting patis. Patis. And our Maggi Magic Sarap. So, for this recipe, we will be using halos 2 packs ng ating Maggi. May konting bawas yung ating unang pack para sa ating seafood na seasoning. And we will add another one. So, ito naman siya is to flavor the whole dish. So, we will add our Maggi here. Ito pa lang, no? Ating base flavor, sobrang sarap na. Kaning lamig, 4 cups of rice to. Kasi minsan, pag hindi ka marunong magluto ng authentic paella, nahihilawan ka ng kanin. Diba? Lalo pag maramihan yung luto mo. So, this is the best way you can do it. You can achieve the paella flavor, pero mas madali. Hindi ka nahirapan. Diba? Look at that. Ang ganda ng ating rice, oh. And this is a good way also to use up your leftover rice. Diba? Minsan, napapadami yung ating kanin. Or sometimes, nagluluto tayo pero hindi gutom, hindi nauubos. And if you prepare it like this the next day, o diba? Siguradong ubos. Now, it's time to add a little bit of black pepper. So, very important, properly season na yung ating sauce bago natin ilagay yung ating rice, no? So, yan, no? Konting pa-absorb lang tayo ng sauce sa ating rice. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Ganda ng kulay, di ba? From our anato and our tomato. Now, I have my diced shrimp. Ito, diced shrimp. Para kada kagat mo, may laman ng shrimp. And of course, ating green peas, gisantes. Parang may handaan talaga sa bahay pag ganito. Kahit nasabihin mo, kayo-kayo lang, di ba? Pero it feels like a party. Yan, no? Ganda, di ba? Don't you think? Sa mga hindi pa nagsasubscribe sa Simple.ph YouTube channel, please do so. Ito, mga discarding luto para hindi ka na-intimidate, no? So, very important, we make our food tasty and easy to make para happy lahat. And now, I will prepare my plate. Ganun lang, oh. Very simple. Pwede to. Kahit just chicken, no seafood, all seafood, no chicken. Gusto mo ilagay lahat ng gusto mo, pwede din. Ang sarap ng atake natin today. Leftover lang yan. Pero ang feeling mo, fiesta. Parang minagic lang natin mo, isipin mo, ganito yung ulam niyo sa bahay, oh. Di pala siya ulam, ganito yung rice niyo sa bahay. Biglang napaka-espesyal ng dating. Pwedeng-pwede na, di ba? Oh. Oh, then yung ulo ng ating pusit nasa gitna, oh. Then we add more pusit all over. Ito, madripping, so halo mo para walang sayang, oh. All the flavor is there. I hope natutuwa kayo. Yan. Oh. Yan, oh. Then may egg pa tayo sa gitna. And a little bit of spring onions. And that is our very simple, pero titikman muna natin to know if it's really perfect. Konting rice. Ito parang kailangan mo pa ba ng ulam dito? Or ito yung ulam mo? Di ba? Let me taste. Napakasarap. Panalo ang recipe na to. No joke. Hindi na to rice. Hindi na to paella. This is a complete meal. Look at that. I'm so happy. Kayo, happy ba kayo? Try this recipe kahit hindi pa December, di pa Pasko. This can be any Sunday na weekday pag you have something special or kahit walang special kasi napakadaling gawin. Ating fried rice a la paella. Simple!
Simple.ph. Living made simple.